Hi, I'm Bikram Chaudhary. Here have come here to teach you some basics of Flash. Now I'm showing you how using onion skin you can build a frame by frame animation. Okay, I'm drawing a line in the layer 1. Here layer 1 and drawing a line here using the line tool, inserting a new layer 2. So line is layer 1, now layer 2. In layer 2 I am drawing the figure. So in the layer 2, in the first frame is the keyframe, and I am picking the color black, and I shall draw the figure using the brush tool. Mind it, I am using a brush and drawing a tool, legs, a man figure, a very basic man figure. And now I am going to the second frame. In the second frame, what I have to do, I have to insert a blank keyframe, blank keyframe, and now I am using the onion skin button here, showing here, and which enables the frame 1 figure. You see the figure in fade, that is the frame 1. This figure is frame 1 now selected, but I am in frame 2, in inserting a blank keyframe there. Right mouse, insert a blank keyframe, so that is totally blank. There is, but figure is in the frame 1. So now you can see the figure 1 of frame 1, figure of frame 1, and draw the figure in the frame 2. Just a slight displacement of the movement, how a people walk, how a man walk, that is move forward the leg a little bit, and okay. And now going to the third frame, inserting in the blank keyframe in layer 2, and using onion skin here, onion skin outline. You can see here, you can see the onion skins frame wise, and you all merged format. Anyway, in layer in frame 3 of layer 2, I am drawing the figures in layer 2, and draw again a little bit forward the man, now moving forward, leg a little bit. I am not a very good artist, so just pardon me, and see the movements. Here I have onion skin, you see the third brackets, and I have just taken 2 frames. You just see the previous frame. Okay, only 2 frames. In onion skin you can select the how many frames you can see. Now I am inserting again in the 5th frame of layer 2 and drawing again. The same thing I am repeating, just man is going forward, but you cannot see the line. So I am inserting a frame, not keyframe, in the layer 1, so you can see the line. I mean the baseline in which the man forwarding. Now see the movie. Okay, and I am drawing again the inserting blank keyframe or F7 button. You can press F7 button to draw a blank keyframe. Okay, using F7. In layer 2 I am drawing again, and now you see how you can see the onions. Frame 5 to 1 you can see, just press the dotted button in the onion, and you can control the how many frames will be shown. Now I am seeing 3 frames or 2 frames probably, and last 2 frames you can see, and by the seeing the previous frames you can draw the lines very efficiently. You don't need to be a big artist, but if you cannot see the previous frames, you cannot draw it like a good manner. That is the beauty of onion skin, and for the frame by frame animation, onion skin is highly essential. And drawing and moving forward, and line is going down little bit, pardon me, and inserting blank keyframe again and again. I am drawing the figures, and insert frame again to see the line, because I am here, my concept is the man will go upward following the line drawn in the layer 1. Line is layer 1, figure is layer 2, and you cumulatively you see them as a picture. They are separate, so they don't overlap, and the figures don't cut one another. And I'm just drawing it, and you see the onions are shown in the 3rd bracket, 5 to 8, and man is moving forward. So just think about it. The onion skin, I hope you understood. The 3rd bracket shows how many frames are in onion, how many figures in fade color you can see it, and that is the beauty of Onion Skin, and it is highly essential for frame by frame animation. Okay, I'm Bikram Chaudhary, a PHP developer and search engine optimization consultant and a Flash designer from India. Call me this number. Thank you.